This is an upcoming website that I'm developing for a web business. And basically what I'll be doing is freelancing graphic design services as well as domain posting for promotion as videos and things of that nature. Right now it's in the final stages of development as far as the website goes. In terms of design, there's still a few details I have to implement to make this a functional site. But anyhow, this is logo.com, and logo.com is going to be soliciting its services to potential domainers that want to change their rare, or should I say, excuse me, their blank text .coms, and actually apply a logo and tagline to to bring out the to bring it out and make it look professional and very eye-catching and dynamic for potential buyers to want to take interest in it. So anyhow, we're gonna go up here and we're gonna go to About Us, and go to the next page. And there's just a little description of what our intentions are as far as the services rendered to our clients. Basically, a logo company is what we are, graphic design, to design logos for any domainer or an entrepreneur that does have a domain name. But the key here is that logo.com only is going to be dealing with .com extensions, so that's unique. So the name itself, logo.com, is basically we are going to design logos for the .com names only. So we are a specific, specialized company. And as you can see, I have several logos that I developed and around the .com extension, Insane Games, the .com story, .com, .com Go, Hikesport.com, and so forth. So we'll just go to the next section here, which is our portfolio section. Okay, in this section here, basically our visitors will be able to take a look at some samples of work that we've done, Insane Games and Talk Details, Caliporn, and these are all .com's extensions. So this is where they'll get a chance to kind of view what we're doing in terms of design and our capabilities. For instance, we'll look at this domain, which is insanegames.com. So basically we have mad titles at crazy prices. So it's a nice little tagline for a for that type of name, and I'm sure it'll hold its ground in the search engines, and it's a pretty snazzy, catchy little name. Okay, so now we'll go back to the portfolio section. Here's another design we have here. California porn industry. As we all know, porn industry is very huge. So I've come up with caliporn.com, and then we also added the tagline, the Wild Wild West. So these are some samples of stuff that we are going to that we'd like to show you that our capabilities are. And I think that's really nice. Caliporn, two-syllable word, short, sweet tagline, just wraps it up. I mean, everybody can relate to the tagline in terms of, you know, the Wild Wild West, of course. So now we'll just kind of exit out of here. And right now it's kind of in the rough stages right now, but the Expo Center is going to be the area in our website where one's going to be able to visit or actually submit their names for promotion in a domain name showcase. They'll be able to enter into auctions and take advantage of those services as well. Check our inventory, you know, possibly even purchase a name, a .com name that we have in inventory, or actually post their name that we either designed or they already have designed on our domain gallery and post it for potential buyers to see it. So this will be the Expo Center. So right now it's kind of just the background's ready. Next time you'll see it, it'll be flooded with information. And finally, the contact information page. Pretty sweet, straightforward. We have our YouTube and Facebook soda cans down there. Those are our links down here. See those. Mexibuy.com. Compra productos de Mexico, you know, buy products of Mexico. So it's a really snazzy little name. It's got a lot of potential. Once again, this is a .com Go. No parking at any time. So if there ever is a service out there that actually replaces the parking business aspect of the web, this would be an absolutely fantastic name to acquire. So .comgo.com is currently available. But once again, all these names are available for sale, and you have the extension .com. Hike Sport, for instance, we're with you every step of the way. So, you know, these names are really short and sweet and pack the punch that's needed in order to catch a potential eye of a buyer. So I want to thank you for this little short, I don't know, demo per se of Logo.com, January 6, 2011, and we're still in the kind of a beginning development stages, but as you can see, it's looking pretty good here, pretty snazzy, and I really like, this is my favorite page here. This is where I plan to spend most of my time. Well, actually, I'm sorry. It's this page here, it's portfolio page. There. And just kind of have an array of logos, .com's extensions that we'll be showcasing for sale. Everything you see here will be for sale. So InsaneGames.com, EarthClick.com, TalkDetails.com, CaliPorn, Trenddot.com, all these names are owned and ready for sale by Logo.com. So, just want to thank everybody for viewing, and stay tuned. We'll be back. The next time you see us, we'll be full-blown website ready to render services for those dynamic domain names that have the extension .com.